Hi there, great to see you again. In this video, I'll show you how to create an epic template in Jira Cloud. This tutorial is ideal for those looking to optimize their project management by utilizing efficient and customizable templates in Jira. Let's jump right into the step-by-step process. First, it's important to understand Jira's built-in features. While Jira Cloud offers some native functionalities to help with template creation, they might not meet all your needs. Creating your own customized epic template can ensure that your projects are consistently and effectively managed. To begin, set up a standard Jira issue and select the epic issue type. This step is foundational, as it will form the basis of your template. Populate it with essential details such as the epic name, summary, and any additional information pertinent to your project's requirements. Including these details upfront will save you time in the future and ensure that no important elements are missed. If your epic needs to include child issues like stories or tasks, you can create them as subtasks or linked issues within the epic. This structure helps maintain order and allows you to replicate the entire set of tasks typically associated with an epic. It's vital to consider how these issues relate to each other and might impact one another. To utilize your new template, cloning or copying the template issue is recommended. This approach lets you quickly create a new epic while preserving all the predefined details and structures from your template. After cloning, you have the option to customize the new epic as necessary. This means you can adjust any information specific to the current project or context, ensuring each new epic is perfectly tailored to its tasks. A key tip is to thoroughly set up your initial template. The more detailed and organized it is, the easier it will be for you and your team to consistently use it across all projects. Additionally, regularly reviewing and updating your template to reflect any changes in your workflow or project requirements will keep your templates relevant and effective in your project management strategy. By following these steps, you'll effectively create and use an epic template in Jira Cloud. This not only enhances efficiency and consistency, but also provides you and your team with a reliable framework for managing new projects and challenges. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps streamline your workflow in Jira.